watching Nama channel.
We see some creative questions. In a polynomial already we done so many problems. How to find the zeros of polynomial, and by using division algorithm we have to find the quotient and the remainder. So in the same type we have to do see some creative questions. Here alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. F of x equal to 6x square plus x minus 2. Find the value of. Here so many questions is there. I take 8 questions. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta, alpha square beta plus alpha beta square, and so on. So many questions. So in this creative question, how we have to solve it? Before we solve this type of question, first you have to find out the sum of zeros and product of zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x. Solution. So here f of x equal to 6x square plus x minus 2. Already you know that sum of 0, that is alpha plus beta. Sum of 0, alpha plus beta. What is that? Coefficient of that, minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x is plus 1. Already minus is there. We get minus 1 divided by coefficient of x square 6. So since we get sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 by 6. As it is product of zeros. Product of zeros, that is alpha beta. So alpha beta, what is this? Here we have to take constant divided by coefficient of x square. Constant divided by coefficient of x square. Here constant term minus 2 and then coefficient of x square already we know that 6. So minus 2 divided by 6. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So product of zeros alpha beta equal to minus 1 by 3. So now we get sum of zeros and the product of zeros. Now one by one we solve the 8 questions. First question we take alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Solution. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. I just take a small simple cross multiplication. Alpha into alpha, alpha square plus beta into beta, beta square divided by alpha into beta, alpha beta. Here you see what is the formula to find out alpha square plus beta square. Just you think the identities in algebra, a plus b the whole square. As it is instead of a plus b, are using alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So I keep it alpha square beta square here and I move this to left. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square. So the value we have to substitute. That means the identity we have to use alpha square plus beta square. Instead of that, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole divided by alpha beta. Now you see this, it's in sum of zeros and product of zeros is there. Directly we substitute the value for sum of zeros and the product of zeros. Sum of zeros minus 1 by 6. Instead of alpha plus beta, I put minus 1 by 6 the whole square. Minus 2 into alpha beta. Minus 2 into alpha beta, we get minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Whole divided by, we need a minus 1 by 3. Okay, now we have to square the minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6, minus into minus plus 1 by 36. Already minus is there. Minus of minus 2 by 3 whole divided by minus 1 by 3. So we get 1 by 36 plus 2 by 3 whole divided by minus 1 by 3. Now we take a cross multiplication. So 3 plus 72 divided by 108, and we take the reciprocal for this into minus 3 by 1. So now we get 75 by 108. 75 divided by 108 into minus 3. So 1 3 is 3. Here we get a 3 3s are 9, and then 6 3s are 18. So divisible by 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, and then 12. So finally we get 25 divided by minus 25 divided by 12. So we solving alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. We get the answer minus 25 by 12. We move on to question number 2. Second question. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. So here already we find out sum of 0 and product of 0 by this polynomial. So by using that we solve it continuously. Solution. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. I take the first two term and cross multiplication. Beta plus alpha divided by alpha into beta, we get alpha beta minus alpha beta. So here I modified it. Alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta minus alpha beta. So now sum of 0, product of 0 is there. Directly we substitute the values. It is equal to alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta minus 1 by 6 whole divided by minus 1 by 3 minus of minus 1 by 3. So alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta minus alpha beta. Minus in the quotient and the value of alpha beta minus 1 by 3. So here minus 1 by 6 into minus 3 by 1. So 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. Minus of minus 1 by 3. So I take the reciprocal for this divisible one. So minus 3 by 1. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 2 1s are 2. So 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus 1 by 3. So now we take the cross multiplication. 3 plus 2 divided by 6. So now we get the value for 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta equal to 5 by 6. 5 is a prime number. We can't simplify it anymore. So the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta is 5 by 6. Just you think, I take the first two and make a cross multiplication. We get alpha plus beta minus alpha beta. So first I take this fraction. Minus 1 by 6 divided by minus 1 by 3. In a fraction, just you consider minus 1 by 6 divide minus 1 by 3. In division condition, fraction minus 1 by 6 division, it change to multiplication, it take reciprocal minus 3 by 1. The same process I will do it here. Minus 1 by 6, I take the reciprocal by multiplication minus 3 by 1. So 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. Minus 1 into minus 1 we get plus 1. 2 1s are 2. Already minus in a quotient and minus 1 by 3 is the value of alpha beta. Minus into minus plus 1 by 3. Just we make the cross multiplication. We get 3 plus 2 divided by 6. So finally answer 5 by 6. Next we move on to the question number 3. Okay, now we see the question number 3. So alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. So here a product of 0 with a different exponent and sum of 0 with a different exponent. So because of that I take something out. So alpha square, here alpha, and beta square. So because of that I take alpha, beta commonly we take it out. So one alpha is moving out and one beta is going out, remaining one alpha is there. So the power of 1 is going out and remaining one beta is more plus beta. Now we get this is the product of zeros and then sum of zeros. Now directly you substitute the values. What is alpha beta? Minus 1 by 3 into alpha plus beta minus 1 by 6. Minus into minus. By fractions, you multiple numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Minus into minus plus 1 divided by 18. It is a very simple question to do it. Then we get the final answer 1 by 18. So now we move on to question number 4. Alpha minus beta. Just you think. Alpha, beta. Already you know that alpha plus beta and then alpha, beta. By using a simple factorization, you have to find out the alpha and beta, and in your thinking itself, you find this fourth question as a homework. Because here we get a sum of 0 and product of 0. So what is the value for alpha and what is the value for beta? By finding a simple factorization, you have to find out alpha values and beta values. It's very easy only. Next, you directly subtract the values, you get alpha minus beta. Just you have to think and find the value for this. If you have any doubt, just you make a contact with me. And question number 5 is equal to question number 2. Only the difference here minus alpha beta is there. Here with the product of 2. Remaining nothing will change. So just you compare with the question number 2 and fifth one you do it as a homework. And next we move on to question number 6. 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta. 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta. Solution. 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta is also very easiest sum. Just a cross multiplication. 2 beta plus 2 alpha divided by alpha beta. Here I take 2 commonly out. Beta plus alpha, I take it as alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. Now we get sum of zeros and product of zeros. So 2 into sum of 0 minus 1 by 6. Product of zeros minus 1 by 3. So 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. We get minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So it's a fraction. We get the numerator and denominator are same. So minus minus will get 1 by 3, 1 by 3 we get answer. The final value 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta, which is equal to 1. Now you see the question number 7. It's related to question number 3. Here we have to take something commonly, we take it out. Just you think, what are the things we commonly take it out from in this expression? Alpha power 4 beta cube and then alpha cube beta power 4. You take it out, you get the product of zeros and the sum of zeros. As well as you think about exponents powers. Already you studied in 8th standard. Just you think and solve it. This one is your homework. 8th question. Seventh question. Now we move on to the question number 8. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2 into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 3 alpha beta. Okay, now we say question number 8. Solution. So here alpha by beta plus beta by alpha 2 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 3 alpha beta. This, which can be implicit. First I take this first 2 term. I just make a cross multiplication. So alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha beta 2 into. So here I make a cross multiplication. Beta plus alpha divided by alpha beta. I keep it as same, 3 into alpha beta. So already you know that a square plus b square, that means alpha square plus beta square, you have one formula, that is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta. This is one set. I will put the bracket plus 2 into alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta plus 3 alpha beta. So I change this type alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2 this into here alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta plus 2 into alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. All the conditions in sum of zeros and product of zeros. Now we directly substitute the values, which implies that so alpha plus beta we know that minus 1 by 6. So minus 1 by 6 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta minus 2 into minus 1 by 3. So this is one of the set. And whole divided by alpha beta minus 1 by 3. So we take a full. And next we move on to 2 into plus 2 into alpha plus beta divided by alpha minus alpha beta. So minus 1 by 6 divided by minus 1 by 3. Plus 3 into alpha beta. So plus 3 into minus 1 by 3. So as usual, a simple calculation, just we simplify it. So here we make a square. 1 by 36. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 by 3. This divide fraction here minus 3 by 1. I take it as full. So normal. In a fraction, we take reciprocal for this. Plus 2 into, as usual, minus 1 by 6 into minus 3 by 1. So here 3 will cancel. We get 1. So plus into minus, minus 1.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக்
Now,
பண்ணுங்க,
as
கமெண்ட்
usual,
பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர்
cross
பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோ
multiplication,
அடிக்கடி
3 1
பார்க்கறதுக்காக இந்த சேனலை
plus
சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு
72.
மறக்காம பக்கத்துல
So
இருக்கக்கூடிய
3
பெல்
plus
ஐகானை
72 by 108 into minus 3. So here minus into minus plus 3 by 6. 3 by 6 minus 1. So 1 3 is 3. We get 3 3s are 9. 6 3s are 18. So minus 1 is there. So we get, and here 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. So here 75 divided by 36 into minus 1 we get minus 75, and then plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So finally we cancel it by 3 table. We get 25 divided by 12 minus 25 divided by 12. So this is the questions as it is the from the first one. We get the same answer because here the last two will get cancelled. The first one is as it is to the first question. So this is some of the creative question by using sum of zeros and the product of zeros. And in next class we have to see this type of creative questions by using division algorithm. We have to find some of the terms here in this expression. Some of the terms is missing and some of the coefficient is missing. We have to find that one. And next thing we have to some factorization also. Thank you.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோ அடிக்கடி பார்க்கறதுக்காக இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு மறக்காம பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் ஐகானை